A short train video right at this time, so which is okay. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the situation with the last train video, and about 15-20 minutes after the train went by, the fire department showed up, which I never called. I called the railroad, and the railroad apparently called the fire department. They came, and shortly after that, a CSX maintenance worker showed up. So they got the situation taken care of. So that situation is done and over with. So I really don't want to talk about it no more. So other than that, I hope you guys all out there have a happy Thanksgiving, which is today, by the way. And other than that, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please hit that subscribe button. Make a comment if you like. And yeah, that was a very scary situation earlier. So I'm just glad that everything turned out as well as it did. So other than that, have a good one out there then.